Hey bookworms, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the 5 books of fiction, which you must read in your lifetime. Books have the power to change lives, broaden perspectives, and offer comfort in times of need. But with so many books out there, where do you start? We've got you covered. First on our list is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. This Pulitzer Prize-winning classic takes us deep into the heart of racial injustice in the American South. It's not just a history lesson but a crucial eye-opener about morality and human empathy. If you haven't experienced the world through Scout Finch's eyes yet, you're missing out. Next up is George Orwell's 1984. A masterpiece that introduced us to terms like Big Brother and Orwellian. This book portrays a chilling dystopia where freedom is a myth, and thought control is real. Reading it is like taking a step into a frightening possibility, making you cherish the freedoms you have now. Now let's rewind the clock with our third pick, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. This isn't just a love story between Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy, it's a keen critique of social class and women's roles in 19th century England. You'll not just fall in love with the characters, but also with Austen's wit and wisdom. Next, we cross the ocean to South America with 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. This magical realist novel takes you through 7 generations of the Buendia family in the fictional town of Macondo. It's as mesmerizing as it is thought-provoking. Trust us, the pages will fly by. Last but not least, The Great Gatsby by Scott Fitzgerald. Set in the Roaring '20s, this tale of love, ambition, and the American dream captures a snapshot of an era while delivering timeless themes. Dive into the glitz and the glamour, but stay for the emotional depth. And there you have it, the 5 books of literature you absolutely need to read in your lifetime. Loved our picks? Share this video with your fellow bookworms and let us know in the comments which books you think everyone should read.